Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we're gonna see how to do a volume provisioning by creating a storage classes in Kubeadm cluster. And previous video we have seen how we have created a Kubeadm cluster with AWS Cloud Control Manager. So if you haven't checked that video, you can check on my channel playlist section, it was over there. So let's get today's video. Okay, so this is my documentation that you can follow, but first understand that's why we want to do a volume provisioning on our Kubeadm cluster. So suppose mm, there is some resources and it needs some extra space, some block storage. So how can we do that? By creating some storage in our Kubeadm cluster, right? So we gonna today do volume provisioning by creating an EBS block storage. You can create different types of storage like EFS, EBS, and many more, right? To do a volume provisioning, this is the official documentation that you can follow. Is a cloud provider AWS Kubernetes you can find. This is the official GitHub page, and this is my official documentation. Okay, if you scroll down here, you will find volume plugins that we can use to extend our volumes. Just click on it and scroll down. You find driver installation, click on that. Then there's a prerequisite that you can read. Okay, just taking this here, so you can able to see it clearly. Set up driver permission. If you want to like encrypt something your data, then you can use this policy as well. Okay, so to use that we have to create a new user, and then we have to attach some policies. This is a policy that we have to attach. This is a managed policy. So let's create a new user first. Click on IAM, then go to the IAM console, click on users, click on create user, give a new user name EBS, and then click on next, then click attach policies directly, then just copy the policy from here, Amazon EBS seaside driver policy, then paste it here. Just simply click on there and click on next, then click on create user. Then after creating a new user, click on that user EBS, then click on the security credentials, then click on the access keys, then click on others, then click on next. The create access keys is my access keys that I am going to use. After that, just copy that, kubectl create secret generic secret, then paste on any notepad. Then we have to change some parameters here. Access AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key. These access keys which I am going to put it here. Okay, so this comma is also needed, so I have to paste it very carefully. Then secret access keys. Okay, I think let's just copy this command and paste this command in our master node. This is my Kubeadm cluster which is running. Create a generic secret by this command, and my secret AWS secret is created. Clear that. Then after that we have to come to the documentation. Generic secret is created, and I have already attached my policy. I think now I am ready to go, but in this AWS EBS C-side driver I have seen in 1.37 release I've seen some issues, so I'm changing it to 1.36 or 1.35. I'm using a 1.35 release. Let's just try that. Click on driver installation, then here you will find a command to installation or driver. So let's just copy it and then paste it on the master node. Following are the things I've created. So my EBS ESID driver is installed. Now let's get back to my documentation, which is storage class creation, then PVC, then port, right? So let's create a storage class first. Nano storage class YAML, and copy it and paste it here. Okay, then we have to apply storage class. Create a persistent volume claim. Copy this, save it, apply this as well. Then use the PVC pod. So I'm using this I want to create a new pod and attach that storage into the new pod. This is a YAML, you can see. Volume mounts I want to do. Copy this and then paste it here, then save it. Okay. Then we have to simply apply the pod YAML. You can see the pod is created. Pods is in pending state. So I have created a 110 GB volume. And GB was showing here, but it wasn't attached yet. It was showing available. So what I have did is I have removed a 10 from the master node as well, and it's scheduled. So you can see my EBS pod is running. So I'm just showing the logs and commands there. This is my two nodes, master node and worker node, and I have when I described my master node, I found that there is one tent is there, so I removed that. I also described my pod as well, engine exports, why it wasn't scheduled. So this is the failed scheduling because 0.2 nodes are available, one node had already tent. So I simply remove the control plane tent and it's worked for me. So that's how you can schedule that's how you can do volume provisioning in your Kubeadm cluster with AWS Cloud Control Manager, right? And you can try a different version. You can try also 1.37 version as well, latest version. If it works, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, so suppose if you want to delete the let's just check our PVC and storage classes. So I don't want to make the video more long. Let's just keep it short. So yeah, that's all about the. So yes, this is all about the volume provisioning video. If you really like this video, then give a thumbs up in the today's video, and I will see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.